Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new map, new codes, and the new poses, and also like the free stuff. So in VIP you get all of this new items which are here. This is in the like Halloween area, and here you also get this. These are new except for the phone. It's been here for quite a while. Then if you go outside, the free items you get are here. As you can see, there's this Halloween area. These are all free items. Then the new items you get is this like sweater. You get also this dress is new. What else is new? Oh, the pillow is new. The camera is new. This like painting palette is new, and this notebook is also new. Are there any ones that I missed? Oh, also this like gaming switch thing is new. Then we're going to head over here. The new like stuff you need to buy with like the current. So these are the new currency items. You get this witch set, this guitar, this stargazer set, I think, but it's what it's called. This one's the like skull fly high boots one. And these are the ones you get from the Lana quest. And the new items from codes is this one. So it's this, this, and this. And the code for it is this. And just like redeem. And those are the new items and maps and stuff like that. You also get new hair, new makeup, and the like nail art layout is different as well. So just explore. And the map is new as well here. Like this is new, and like the changing rooms are new. I really hope they make it into a code again, because it does take time to go back and forth. And we also have new game passes where you add time to your if you don't have like enough time, you can purchase it. So here there's stuff you can purchase, as well as increase item limit and 2 times the money. And these are the new game passes that they have. Here are the new poses, which I have: the dance pose pack, the troll pose pack, the hand pose pack. I love these ones. And we also have the Halloween. Did I miss it? What's going on? Okay. We have the fairy one, and we also have the Halloween one. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.